chasing the check, dropping the top, riding the vet, feeling myself, what you expect, you know I'm with it. No better feeling cause I could've quit but I didn't. 007 when I'm on a mission, moving it up to a better position. They thought I was tripping. They had the vision, I told them but no they ain't listen. Took me some L's but now that I'm winning I'm feeling like Fab. There's no competition, embracing the pain. It's making me stronger.
What's going on YouTube world? Charles Hutchinson here, and the question you guys all want to know, how does it compare to the Hammer Effect and how does it compare to the 2.0 Hybrid? So of course I have both of those. I resurfaced them completely and now they're here and we're gonna give them each a go. Not gonna do like a full game or anything with any of them. Hi Dave. Hi Dave. Hi Dave. Sorry. He's the mechanic. He put the pattern down for us. This is a house shot. There's a pattern over there. I don't think we're gonna touch that, but don't want to make this video 100 years long, so that's what we're gonna do. So to keep it simple, I'm gonna get about 2 shots with the new ball. If you haven't watched the initial video, you should go watch the full video because I threw it for a lot longer time. And then again, we're gonna get to these other 2. So like, subscribe, Cool Wick, Bowlersmart, go check them out. And the shoes, man. Everybody's asking me about the shoes. Epic bowling, epic bowling.
I guess you've broken it down, I guess?
Just a little bit, just a little bit. 2.0 hybrid, 2.0 hybrid time. Stay in the same spot. More forward. So throw one more shot with the 2.0 hybrid from 30, from deep. Like much more controllable. Way more higher flush. I missed in and that almost split. It's getting stupid. It's getting stupid out here. So now, let's go to the good old Hammer Effect, the original citrus ball. It was all the dream. Used to read Word Up magazine, Heavy D, and Molly Mall. I didn't get that nearly as far right that I needed to get, so let's do that. So both the 2.0 hybrid and this ball, just I feel like read and chug a little bit more, where this new Widow is just sharper. Stow it one more time. Talk about doing some striking. I am gonna move right. I'm gonna move right. All the other ones red, kind of labored. It saw it faster and still like went. I gotta cheat further left with this one in relation to the 2.0 hybrid and the effect. Really strong, really strong, really strong, really strong. Like, we might have to go to the sports shop to find some more oil, so I don't have to just play the whole lane. More volume, it's probably gonna retain its shape a little bit better. Yeah, so I think for different reasons, they both are, again, just the 2.0 hybrid and the effect are just a little bit rounder. I feel like the Widow 2.0 is the cleaner cover, so it's actually stretching the lane, and this earlier cover is just picking up and, again, just blending. I'm gonna try to move right, motor 25, fired up the lane a little bit. All right. Relax the hand, relax the wrist. Well, let me go to the 2.0 hybrid from a little bit straighter. I think I actually can throw these balls from much straighter. So 25. Walk a little faster, get some speed. Dirty. You dirty girl. So both the 2.0 definitely can stretch this pattern much better than what I'm seeing from the new Mania. I'm sorry. Eight pin, 9 pin, 8 pin, 9 pin. Yeah. Let's go ahead and switch to the sport pattern because we need to find some oil. So you get to look again at the team's pattern. Still pretty far left with this ball. Got to get warmed up. Disrespect. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So let's go effect. I think this actually is probably going to look a little better on this particular pattern. 25. Oh, get off my hand really slow. Not making excuses, it's observation. That was like 15 on the nose that last shot. So just need to get a little bit quicker. All right, 25, go a little bit faster. I'll definitely throw it harder. So that, if I was really shooting for score on this, right, I'm throwing a much smoother ball to again control the back part of the lane. There she blows. Trip forward. Trip forward. And I've been wearing these shoes. These are the Epic Bowling Apollo. And so they're not as the same like step-in comfort, in my opinion, like as far as like cushioning, because they don't have, they're flat like a lot of like Dexter shoes are, like they're just flatter, supposed to be get you feel and more comfort. That's what's going on. That's what we have. But again, the leather, the materials, feels very premium, and again, comfort around your foot. Like there's no break-in. Alrighty, back to this, and then we're gonna get to 2.0 hybrid, and then we're gonna call it a day. Yeah, it just floats down the lane a little bit more than again the others, but just has a very distinctive, change of direction down lane. 2.0 hybrid, same spots. So not bad, but again, just smoother arc for a different reason. And that one, yeah, just feels like just cleaner and rounder, where again, just more shape from the new Widow and the Effect. But still is good, as you see. I see why people still, especially on patterns, little surface, little 3000, 2000, still throw the 2.0 hybrid. Oh, that's inside. Yeah, that's inside. I'm gonna jump to the right like I did with the others, with the 2.0 hybrid, and then, yeah. I'm gonna pretty much wrap this up, because your boy tired. All right, one more. Inside. Yeah. So they all hook. They all hook. Period. They do. But the new Widow is no slouch to either of them. They are, again, strong. If you're looking for down lane, you're definitely going to notice that this is still a Black Widow with a stronger cover stock. So again, I'm very curious what we're going to get from another effect. Personally, I'm very curious. I don't know anything. But yeah, man, so that's it. Hopefully you guys got all the information you needed to make an educated buying decision. Definitely pick you up one. If I helped, use the links below. We're out. Like, subscribe.
Keep it moving with the music up. I'ma keep them grooving. You sleeping on me, just keep snoozing. I'm so locked in right now. Everything I work for ain't never gonna change. Everything I prayed for